Hello, my name is Thomas Heine from ebm-papst in Melbourne. I'm the Sales and Market Manager for EC Upgrades. Today, Glenn Shreves and his team from Deco Engineering retrofitted a fan coil unit in our training room with high-efficient EC ReadyPack fans. By doing this, the fan power consumption dropped by 60%. The original fan was a standard 9x9 inch double fan deck with a 3-speed AC single-phase motor. Glenn replaced this fan with an EC fan deck consisting of 2 EC fans assembled and wired to an adapter plate that fits into the available space. As I said before, we achieved 60% reduction in input current into the EC fan versus the original fan that was installed in that unit. The original fan was a 3-speed fan, and even though it got 3 speed, it can only be speed controlled down from the maximum air performance to the lowest speed setting by around 200 liters per second in this particular installation. That equates to around 15%. So in other words, all you can do is you either have 100% air or 85% air. With an EC fan, you get infinite speed controllability, which means we can ramp that fan down to 10% of its maximum speed, and we can even increase the performance and get more airflow out than we can get out of the existing fan. So our range now is something from 10% up to 120%. As mentioned before, EC fans already give us a 60% savings compared to the existing fan at same airflow, but by being able to reduce the airflow even further, we can achieve additional savings. For example, if you ramp down the speed just by 5%, you achieve another 15% reduction in input power. So thus we can increase our savings even more. To maintain or to stay within the permissible air velocity or air volume rate of that fan coil unit here in the ceiling, we can actually set the minimum and maximum speed of our fans and program those minimum and maximum speeds into the fan. So therefore we ensure that at no point of time we are outside the design point. But that area is much wider than it was with the existing or the original 3-speed fans. Now, having that greater adjustability, we can maximize our savings and get a very quiet and very efficient unit.
Yes, I'm Glenn Shreve from Deco Contracting. We participated in carrying out an alteration to the existing standard fan coil unit. This current unit was an Actron unit. Twin blade. We reviewed the situation, how it was mounted, and also the attachment of ductwork that was associated with the system. From our review, it appeared that the ductwork would be more of a suitable location. So we removed the existing fans and applied the new fans, the EBM fans, on a adapter plate which was inserted into the ductwork through some channels. By doing this made a very easy installation, which took approximately about 2.5 hours. The system is now in operation and it's been very successful in its capacity and also noise criteria.
Because we will use this setup here for training and demonstration purposes, we decided to use a 10 kilo potentiometer to speed control our fans. It's not the prettiest setup. In a real life scenario, you would probably use a controller, a wall-mounted controller like this little model here, which will give you a constant temperature control or just a constant speed control for the fans. We use a potentiometer to be able to ramp up and down the speed of the fans, as well as having RSA and RSB connection here, which enables us to communicate with those fans and read out information like input power and fan status.
Yeah. We managed to complete the job in a matter of a few hours, and the job went along very smoothly. The system was very easy to adapt. The performance that we've experienced from the outcome sounds like it's very successful.